Hi everyone, today is chicken processing day, so I need to get some things done and prepared so that in the afternoon I can butcher all my chickens. I have 9 chickens, 9 meat chickens and 1 rooster to process, but first I need to make some sort of plucker, and that's what this video is about. First things first, I'm going to start by outlining, well, maybe I'll do the inside. I'm going to use a jigsaw. So, one disc, let's see if it fits. Doesn't, that's a problem. So we perhaps need to cut it a bit smaller. Let's see if we can get it with a hammer. Probably could. Maybe not. So it is quite snug, but that's the look I was going for. And now before we put the other one in, we need to drill the holes for the fingers, and that's what I'm going to do now. So we need to leave 2.5 centimeters clearance for the board, so we have about 15 centimeters, so we're going to take 2.5 from each side, so we got 10 centimeters of working space to put the fingers. So I'm going to put, I don't know, maybe one at 4, the other one would be at 4 from the other end, so about 11, since let's put 11, and we have 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 gives us 7, so 7, 3.5, so 3.5 plus 4, 7.5, it's the middle, and 9.5. So this is the pattern I'll be drilling. I'm going to use a 10mm drill. I probably should use a step drill bit, but I don't know where mine are. Kind of a big mess, my workshop, so I'll try with a 10mm bit and we'll see if it works. So we now have one hole drilled. Let's see if we can pull it from the inside. So we cannot, it's too small. So let's try to make it a little bit bigger. Let's see if that helps. So as you can see, it's still too small. I'm going to find the step drill bit, and I'll be in a minute. So found the step drill bit. Let's take this one out, this one in. Let's see, I'm gonna go on increments. So this is a 10mm hole, it's too small, let's go to a 12. Too small still, let's go to a 14. 14mm. Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to drill all these holes and let's see how it looks afterwards. So now I'm going to pick all these shavings because I don't want them scattered on my property, and it's quite windy today, so before we cut the other circle, let's sketch all these shavings.
Put it down with them in the brush. Over here. Those buckets.
Let's put all the fingers in. There's some shavings still in some of the holes.
So, fingers in holes. That's it. We are in the fingers. Look at that. We have some to spare.
So this is how it looks. This is how it looks from the inside. I don't know if you can see it or not. Probably not. So this is the inside. And let's make the other wooden circle to go on the other side. This one fits a little bit better, and it does. So this is going to be our serviceable end. So if one of these fingers ever breaks or gets damaged, we can take this side out and replace the finger. So first things first, we're going to need to drill a center hole. It needs to be as close to the center as we can, but since we are actually doing this on the jig, I'm going to try and make it as centered as I can. This circle over the one that's already installed, and I'm going to score it so they are close. And let's hope that these are enough in the middle so this doesn't wobble too much. And now, since I wanted to use some threaded rod with some nuts and washers, but it's Sunday and I can't go anywhere to buy them, and I forgot yesterday to buy them, so I'm going to use a piece of rebar, and hopefully it will be stuck enough over here that won't fall off. I think that will work. But first I'm going to secure the piece of wood with some screws. And one over here. And one over here. And another one over here. So we are on the other side. Let's see if we can Let's see if we can push the axle a bit beyond the disc. It seems that we're able to. And now let's put some screws over here. So we now have our drum style plucker. So I think I'm going to cut this axle over here and put it on a electric drill. So you can use it with a cordless drill, but unfortunately I broke mine. The battery still looks quite good, but I don't have the drill now, so I need to buy another one. In the meanwhile, this small 12 volt cordless drill that I have over here, it's not quite strong enough, so I'm going to use a corded drill over here. I'm going to attach it to this concrete bench, and hopefully it will work okay for me to pluck my chickens. So I'll see you in a bit. So this is the end product. So it's a corded drill, and I've attached the drum to it. And the cool thing about this drill is that it has a switch that we can sort of control the speed, so, and we can also lock it. So this is a locked drill, and it's a lock trigger, and if I spin this, I don't know if you can see it, if I spin this wheel over here, it pushes the trigger a little bit further and further and further with each click. So my goal is to get to a comfortable speed. So this is the first click with a small speed. The thing is, when I put a chicken over to it, I can get it to stop, so I'm going to crank it up with another click. And now I think it's a good enough speed that will pluck the chicken but still maintain some speed. So that's it. Once I get to butcher the chickens and pluck them, I'll show you how it goes. So that's it. It's quite messy, as you can see, but it's quite fast and it's a cheap plucker to make. So now I'm going to go to the station and finish cleaning it, and that's it. So if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.